So if you could have anything, Ben, automated in your life with AI, what would that be?
Probably my children. I say that jokingly. I do love them, and I like their individuality. No, what I outside of the PCB realm, what I could really use, and I kind of honestly expected it to exist already, but it's, as far as I can tell, it does not, is a really excellent personal assistant. I have an extremely busy life with a lot of moving parts and things I can't necessarily keep my hands on at all times, and I have to constantly make those trade-offs of what's most important. And I know every time I do that, something else that's actually also really, really important is being dropped. It's kind of a meme going around the social media too right now. It's like, wait, AI is writing all these songs now so I can do my dishes? What the hell? Like, it's meant to do my dishes so I can play guitar. And that's basically what sums it up. It's like, I want that home automation. It can't come soon enough for me to, and even to, keep tabs on my finances and do all that stuff that I honestly hate and wish I didn't have to do.
Nice, I like it.
And it's not to be lazy, it's to be able to focus on what I'm naturally passionate about and good at,
Absolutely. No, I can totally relate to that, and I'm sure everyone can. Like, someone close to me said, being an adult is basically doing everything that you hate. I was like, oh, that's very morbid. Okay, so what would you like, Sergiy, automated in your life by AI?
I mean, I'm in a similar boat, but I would take the robotics spin on that, to be honest.
Okay.
I have 2 little kids.
Okay.
My daughter's almost 3. My son is 1.5 years. And what that means is, while my wife gets to play with them, I'm chasing and cleaning up and behind them everywhere. But legitimately, I think for me, that's like the thing that I really want to see over the next 10 years is I think we have all of the mechatronics, the battery density, the manipulators that we need for robotics to take off. We don't have the software. And I think it's about to happen. I think it's about to happen that, like, you could imagine it cleaning stuff up, and organizing things, and maybe doing your dishes or your laundry or whatever else. Maybe I'm optimistic, but that's what I'd love to see.
Well, it's going to happen soon, according to Elon, right?